I'm here with you having the same thing what I started yesterday. I mean root words. Learning language is not easy task, neither it is so interesting as we find in other things. So here a teacher tries his best to make it interesting. But particularly in teaching words or root, it may not be very interesting. Still, by giving some example, I can make it pleasant somehow. Still, many friends are complaining in their comments that you never smile in the class, or when you are online, you never smile. A smiling is possible, but there is actually no such opportunity. Here, just we all, only 2-3 persons are here. Nikhil sir with me. Arena sometimes comes and sits. Neither they smile nor they let me smile. So how is it possible? Still, now we are trying our best. So words are coming, but before I am starting now, just I am paying thanks to the friends like Deepak Priyadarshi, Nirmal Thakur. He is in railway, but he has been well-wisher of Lingua Center. Anand Sharma, Mukesh Sharma, Abhishek Pandey, Shashi Kant Chaudhary, Shubhraj, Ved Prakash, Sunil Tiwari, Sahil Khan, and many more friends. So thanks for watching. Now come here. The same that should be continued. 11th now coming here. Cell. Again, this is of Latin origin. What related to the same? Cellar. Original word, and meaning is fast or rapid. So now see here, celerity or accelerate, accelerate. Now chord of the same origin, I mean Latin. Chord or call is the same, I mean the original word, meaning is heart or mind, like cordial, record, discord, making it negative, accord, record. So you should pay attention to, you see here, chord. So as soon as we find chord, I mean this is the root, can make it clear very easily. So this root will help you in learning the words easily. Now, cop or copper. Again, this is Latin. Corpus. Corpus. Corpusage. Meaning body. Like you might have heard the word NCC. NCC, National Cadet Corps, but spelling is CORPS. You see here, C-O-R-P-S. Sound is co. You see. And now C-O-R-P-S-E, buddy. Particularly for dead body this is used. But here sound is corpse. And here sound is co. Like corporation. The word is corporation. So that is also a body. Corporation is also a body. I mean, that is an organization. Creed. Word is C-R-E-D, creed, Latin word. Creator. Or creditum. Original word. Meaning is believe or trust, or trust. Believe or trust. So very simple, like creed. Credulous. Credit. So as these words are coming, will help you in understanding a word easily. Like you see here, derm or dermat. So this is Greek word. Derma. Word is derma. Like we talk about leukoderma, I mean related to skin. Like dermatitis. Dermatitis. I mean disease related to skin. Like epidermis. What is epidermis? I mean related to outer part of our skin. And hypodermic, hypo, the kind of injection that is put under the skin. I mean, when derma or derm is there, it means we have to relate it to our body, I mean skin. So in this way, these all will help us better. Like dict. So dict, you see, this is of Latin origin. Dict is of Latin origin. Like dico, dictum, dico, or dictum. Original word. Meaning say or speak. Now simple say or speak. So you might have heard this word like dictum, theory, or dictate, like he dictating, means saying. So these all the words are easy now in this week. Edict, contradict, and many such words will help us. Now see here, D-U-C-T, duct, or D-U-C, again of Latin origin. Like duco, ductum. These are original words. Do or make, like do or make, the meaning. And our English words are like fiction. Fiction, somebody thinks, somebody makes, somebody does, somebody lies. So now that is said to be fiction. Or many such words are there, like affect, effect. These all are related to effect. FECT. No, that is duct. No, that is ductile. No, this is not make or. Duct, that is ductile. Conduct, like this. Conduct. Summer is also creating problem. Now, actually this fiction I will make you write, this is related to fact or fact. Fact or fact. So you see here. So these are root words like facio. You see, very simple. Factum. So one actually miss is there. Here, try to correct it, please. It should be lead. That is lead. Actually, is I was making it right, but that was wrong. And now make or do should be here. So please correct it. That was lead, and here it should be make or do, it should be here. Like now here you see fact or fiction. Fiction. Affect, perfect. Actually these all the words should be used here. And second last, fur or folate for, or I should write in this way, lat or late, of Latin origin, again the same. Pharaoh, Latin, original words. Bear or carry in English, now you see here. Or carry. Like confer, offer, defer. Refer, suffer, transfer. So this FER will make it clear to bear or carry. Many such words we can collect. Or flect or flex. Again of Latin origin. Flexum or flecto, original word. Flexum, flecto. Bend, meaning is bend, like you see here, flexible. So if flex is there, it means something can be bent. So it will help us in getting or comprehending the word. Like reflex, flexible, reflex, reflection, and so many. So 10 words I have brought to you today. Rest you will be getting tomorrow. As I told you, Monday to Friday I will be giving you. So these all the words may help you in comprehending the meaning of word if you go through better. So this is all about this online class today. See you tomorrow again at 10. Thanking you watching me.